Now let's discuss loudness and pitch. The loudness of sound depends on the amplitude of vibration. If the amplitude is less, the sound is feeble. If the amplitude is more, the sound is loud. The unit of loudness is called decibel. The pitch, the sound depends on the frequency of vibration. If the frequency is less, the sound has low pitch. For example, sound of a drum, sound of an adult. Now let's see what are audible and inaudible sounds. Audible sound is a sound which we can hear. It has frequency between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And what is inaudible sound? It is sound which we cannot hear. It has frequency less than 20 Hz. Sound whose frequency is more than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Some animals like dogs can hear ultrasonic sound. Bats produce ultrasonic sound. Noise or musical sound. Noise is unpleasant sound. It is produced by irregular vibration. If all the students in classroom will speak together, a noise is produced. Sounds produced by horns of buses and trucks. What is musical sound? Sound which is pleasing to the ear is called musical sound. It is produced by regular vibrations. Sound produced by musical instruments, sound of a person singing a song. This is musical sound. So now what is noise pollution? The presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment is called noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution is due to the vehicles, explosions, crackers, machines, loudspeakers. Okay, and what are the harmful effects of noise pollution? Noise pollution causes several health issues. Some of them are high blood pressure, anxiety. A person exposed to loud sound continuously may get temporary or permanent hearing problem. Now, measures to limit noise pollution. What we can do to limit the noise pollution? It can be reduced by using silencers in the vehicles. It can be used by reducing use of vehicles horn, running TV, radio, music system in low volumes, etc. So on this slide you can see some of the causes due to which noise pollution is caused. Number 1, you can find that all crackers are kept over there. Number 2 is the big horn sound from which it comes. Third is cooler. Some of the machines at our home also, they create lots of noise. Next is the JCBs, the machines. Next one is, you can see all the vehicles coming together and when they blow horn. And last one is when the aeroplanes move. They also cause some of the noise pollution. Thank you children, and I hope you all have understood this lesson of sound.